Endless war on the time at tonight. Every comment like a sparking gasoline. Burning bridges nobody has seen. But the power is in and the rage we bring. It's in the silence when the hate can't sting. When we stop reacting to the noise, we finally hear our inner voice. Slow down, reset. The truth isn't a weapon yet.